stalls that sell bread and milk, they're not existing right now in Gurgaon?
Right now, no, because what you see is illegal places where a small chai wala will be sitting somewhere, but those are very few to come by. What you would see if you were, if this map was taken, removed from Gurgaon and superimposed over a place like Pune or Mumbai, when you would step out of your house, you just walk 5 minutes in either direction and you will find at least one shopkeeper. And so, if supposing 10 p.m., this happens a lot at my place in Pune. 10 p.m. we feel hungry, we want to get a Maggie. We just get out, 5 minutes away is a small store, we grab a Maggie and we make it at home. If you try to do the same thing in Gurgaon, what will happen? The only thing that is open in Gurgaon after 9:30 is a liquor shop.
Because in Dwarka it's the same scenario, we just have 2 local markets and all the rest is exactly like the pictures you showed. But we do have small mother dairies which serve such purposes.
Yeah.
And 5 minutes walk distance, so that means that is
That makes it safer. What my premise was that, from my observations, is that the more commercial activities you have around your places, at strategic locations, you can make sure that there are going to be some or the other people. So supposing my friend was the victim of a purse snatching incident now, someone over here, there would be some people over here who would have nabbed that person and stopped him from escaping. And that is something that is, I think, it's more important to us than the other laws. Any other questions?
How would you contrast planned urbanization like in case of Chandigarh while comparing it with Gurgaon?
I haven't been to Chandigarh, but I know that
you must have heard about
Yeah.
you must have heard about the crime ratios in Chandigarh
Yeah.
and in Gurgaon.
I believe in Chandigarh the planning was such that they made sure that there was some store or convenience store or something quite
And
close to
plan has
wherever
been,
everyone's staying.
just for the information sake, HUDA, the body responsible for doing planned urbanization in Haryana, replicates that plan in all the cities. So what I believe in is there are more factors to the crime aspect and safety aspect than this just Gurgaon.
Okay.
I agree with that.
Gandhinagar too is a planned city. I've been there.
It's not just about planning, it's about how they planned it.
It's
Because
also about the country, isn't it?
No, I think it comes, law and order comes from the top, until and unless people will feel secure themselves. Many times they are
what I
stopped.
feel is that law and order comes from the bottom up, because you see in Mumbai, it's not like they were imposed with police or they were imposed with so many auto rickshaws or imposed with so many shops. It was allowed to grow organically. Right now in Gurgaon, we have laws that strictly forbid any commercial establishment from operating anywhere else except for a certain demarcated area. And those areas are more than 20 minutes away from the far-flung areas, which happen to be the most unsafest of all.
But I think
Just
instead of using the commercialization sort of point of thing, I think a better solution would be to keep the infrastructure as it is, but to improve the more bigger factors like education amongst the people and give those jobs to the people who are actually
Exactly.
stealing people.
Exactly.
Stuff.
And how do you create jobs? How do you create those jobs for giving the local people so that they turn away from crime?
You have to give them education.
That doesn't come.
You can't make everybody shopkeepers.
Exactly.
I mean,
But
that's not fair to the people.
Yeah.
Also.
But the thing is, you don't have the money to give them all education in the first place. So it's a chicken
Just to
and egg
bring in
problem.
the
not
next
be-
point
No,
into
even
discussion.
if there are lots
Will
of
it not
people
be
to help
better
you
to-
out, nobody will help you, until and unless they will feel secure that okay, if you just give an example of a person would have been there to catch the other person, the thief, he would have come forward. You cannot be so sure because in Gurgaon, if you talk about Gurgaon, there's so insecurity, and I mean he'll feel that how will I get help? Once I actually have the other
Yeah.
person, I mean he's so insecure that even he can get entangled in that aspect, and he may not get out of it very easily. So I think it has to come from the top unless you.
It's not exactly the top thing, it's about trusting the common
This
human
is a
being.
quick
That-
solution. The one that you said is a quick solution.
Just
But
to
it's-
bring another
I just wanted to go
point
for something that is actually practicable. Because the unpractical thing that they had thought was that, oh, we'll put education for everyone and we'll just assume everyone has cars to go around and you don't need to worry about that. That was something that was taken to plan.
Nikhil, don't you think we are going against the idea of supermarkets and all? Today we are working on just the opposite thing.
Exactly, they are
Putting
working on
everything
creating
together.
more malls and supermarkets.
And
But then the time constraint is a very big issue these days. People who want to go and shop for in the weekends. They want to finish around like 1 hour or 2 hours. They don't want to go loitering around.
Though the demographic you are speaking of has cars, so let's not include them at all.
Even those-
What I'm talking about is the colleague of mine who was robbed does not possess any vehicles whatsoever.
For that,
And she does not have a transport to take her to the malls that you're
the
talking
thing is that the
But even she
transportation
won't agree to
system-
this because she
She-
have to spend hours.
No,
Going
it's not
shopping.
like that. I'm not saying that you get only bread here and milk over there. It's not like that. Don't worry about it. You'll get everything. It happens. It takes care of itself. I mean, if you try to live just 1 or 2 days in a city like Mumbai or Chennai or Pune, you will find out the answer.
See, the
You're
problem-
comparing the
also
Mumbai scenario. in
Mumbai
Kolkata.
happened because they let people set up shops where they wanted.
I
In
believe it
combination with
happened.
the policing, that would have happened because these shops can act
Police
as a
comes
gathering
after.
place for other hooligans also.
Exactly. No.
See,
These can act.
No, the common citizen and the shop that is set up, it's in his best interest, financial wise, to make sure that there is no crime happening in his area. Otherwise, no one will frequent those shops.
But anyways, I just like to point out, what about that long road going from the supermarket where there are no red dots? Even if she comes from there, if she has
I
to
did
take
not
something
have
from the
time to make so
supermarket,
many red
If
dots.
she has to come from there,
So,
I
thinking
think
Mumbai
that
has
she
been
planned
successful because
more.
of policing also, not alone because of this.
Yeah, but it wasn't always a top-down thing.
The
Policing
crux-
happened in the community itself first,
Both-
and the police came later.
No,
No,
Both the things
I believe
complement
policing,
each other.
I believe policing in Delhi is better than Mumbai. Don't you think so?
Yeah.
Policing
Yeah.
in Delhi is
There are
better
much
than
more
Mumbai.
cops.
But then also, you know, in Delhi you
Why
cannot
are
move
there
freely after
more
9 o'clock.
murders? Why are there more rapes? Because all of these police and all, they are active in the daytime. What happens in the night?
That's why all these outlying villages that are there in NCR, they have to
I think
be
this is more
taught education.
more of the more to be
You
concerned.
can't talk
Give them a
them
vocation.
education. You can't do anything top-down. That's the main thing. You
Give them a
cannot
vocation
enforce
that
top-down.
they love, so that they don't have to leave that vocation and go snatching things.
You
from
can
there.
take
We're
examples
going
from
extending
Chandigarh.
time into that. Okay, thanks a lot. I think we've already crossed the. Thanks.
Thanks a lot, Nikhil. You had a practical solution to the problem of safety, and